Hi, this is Mike from Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To, and today I'm going to show you how to make your own festive emoji. Keep watching to find out how. Okay, so it's Christmas time and we want to send festive emojis to our friends and loved ones, and maybe some of you are not sure how to do it, so this is going to be a bit of a fun look at how to create a festive emoji on your iPhone. So the first thing to do is to go into your messaging center, and you can pick a particular person you want to reply to. So on this one I'm going to reply to Kath. So all you need to do is to click on iMessage, click on your emoji icon, and you see your general normal face. So first thing to do is click on the three dots in the bottom left hand corner to edit, and then you can click on edit. Then the first thing you want to do is to go to your headwear section. So scroll down through until you see the Santa looking hat, which is this one here in the middle. So we'll click on that one and we've got ourselves a festive hat. But unfortunately it's in the wrong color. So scroll across until you see the color palette and then you can choose red. Now choose the shade of red that you particularly prefer. So I'm going to go with that one and click on done. It's pretty good, but still not quite Santa-ish, so let's add a nice festive beard. So again, click on the three dots, click on edit, and in this top section where you've got eyewear, choose facial hair. So in the facial hair, scroll down through until you see a nice looking Santa beard. I think that one looks good. And there we go. So now we've got our festive hat and we've got our Santa's beard, and we're ready to send our emojis. So we'll click on done on that one, and we'll quickly record a quick message to Kath. Ho ho ho, Merry Christmas. And we'll send that one. So there we go, that's sending the Animoji in a festive manner. So there you go, there's how to create your very own festive emoji on your iPhone. I've been Mike, this is Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To, and hopefully we'll catch you in the very next video. Thanks for watching.